So sadistic, always on that fucking killing shit. Bullets on the beat and see an average gang will murder it. Nothing gonna phase us, I don't watch us as we conquer it. Blacked out, fit, red eyes, yeah, I'm motionless. I'm running in the circles of my life and I ain't feeling it no more. Can I even out the score?
Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to explain what I see on the 15 minute. A lot of the times, sometimes they don't play out perfectly, but they're there sometimes, but if they're there sometimes, I'm willing to trade it, right? So, all it is, just sitting on the 15 minute, and this is swing trading, right? Keep that in mind. So, let's take a look at this right here. This is US 30, the 12th of April. Alright. Let me cover over rejection block theory again. In this case, this is a bullish situation. We get one, and it's a 2-bar play. We get one red candle and a green candle. Okay. Now, what makes it a rejection block is the preceding candle after the red candle here sweeps the low of the body, and then trades up and closes above the body high of this red candle. Rejection block. It's right there. It's there. So let's annotate that. And 15. Now, positive sign represents bullish, negative represents bearish. Alright. And okay. The reason why I marked this out is because if there is a fair value gap in here, I'm willing to see price exceed this low. Alright. I'm willing to see it exceed it. If it touches into it, I may add another entry, a smaller portion entry, with no stop loss. Okay. Now, I'm letting price get down to here, and it doesn't make me wrong that in the situation that I'm looking for longs here, just because I see the setup. All right. So we mark that out. Let's mark out the body high right here, and then the wick. In the situation, the wick. Drop down to the 5 minute. All right, so let's figure it out. What was that red candle? What made that red candle? The last red candle down before the up move. Well, every 15-minute candle consists of 3 5-minute candles. So if the open of this 15-minute candle, or the red candle, starts here, we have that drawn out right here. See that? Beautiful. Plus the RB, perfect. So we annotate that with this line down here, and then the next 15 minutes starts here and it closes here. So we see that on the even on the 5 minute, that explosive movement upwards on the 5 minute, it closes above the high of its own red candle high here. Not to mention, this indicates a market reversal right there. Boom. Okay. Now a lot of you already see it. All right. Yes, it's there. Oh yeah. Oh daddy-o. Fair value gap. Oh, there's an order block right here too. Nice. So if we know that green candle that was made on the 15 minute closed right here, and we see this on the 5 minute, because once the 15 minute candle closes, I'm already filtering down. I'm already looking for this type of setup. Alright. The way I do that is I have a timer that repeats every 15 minutes. So literally like last 10 seconds before the candle closes, I get an alarm. I look over the 15-minute candles and I look for this setup. Alright. So 15-minute candle closes here. Fair value gap. Find entries. I think it 5 pips. That's enough for spreads to get in. That's nothing. Now, price rallies. Beautiful. End of day. beautiful market reversal. Could have held to get ultimately clapped the next day to see break even. But typically, this setup shows perfect reversals in the market, perfect opportunities for swinging 4+ hours. This is what I look for when I look for swinging positions. Alright, and it's just this setup. Alright, now I'm going to talk about another thing I saw in this setup right here. So let's define it out. Let's delete this. Draw out our box. This is just to represent the order block on the 5-minute. And I'll show you why price went down into it. Okay? So if we know this is the high and the low of the fair value gap. Oh wow. It went to screw over early buyers who moved their stop losses here, here, here. Price ran, took them all out. Alright. Keep in mind we still have this 15-minute rejection block here. So to annotate this order block, I'm going to call it the M5 reclaim block. That's right, I just said that. So whenever price enters in an old order block, it becomes a reclaim block. As we can see, price trades down, fills in this fair value gap, and I think right here, even itself right here, it really indicated itself. Blew past this high, closed above it, fair value gap, order block, find entries, explodes. I mean, like, this was right at the open, just candle open, wicks down, and it just rallies. Holy moly. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was a little too easy. So here's one good example for finding bullish trades using the engulfing candle strategy with the reclaim block theory. And we'll show another example here.